Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. You understand? First, I want everyone to subscribe, bro. This is an happy moment. You understand? Yes, so this dancehall artist named a joke. This dancehall artist named Vybz Kartel. It is free, bro. Hey, the artist is free. You understand, guys? Subscribe right now. You understand? I even have Vybz Kartel mix right over on this other channel, One Code Music. So I want everyone to subscribe to that channel also. Okay? Let's get right into it. Hold it! See it there? One Adino. Hey, even Shawn Storm also, people, you understand, because you can't left out Shawn Storm, you can't. You understand? Loyal friend, bro. Trust me.
I tell the youth them stay out and fuck.
One Gaza. You understand? Pelpa time catch everything, bro. I guess this place is Spanish Town, you understand? Over in the prison oval. Everyone are with my Vybz Kartel now, bro. One king. Watch there.
Alright, so we're here with Bright Light from Bright Light Funeral Home.
Yes, I'm here to receive Vybz Kartel, you know.
So the world boss.
The world boss himself, you know, is here. And we're just been here just to make sure we want to see him for the first time in many years. And we just want to enjoy him presence for a few minutes, you understand?
Alright,
So guys, for my understanding, he locked up in prison, in jail for over 13 years now, or 13 years now, you understand? So now he is a free man, you understand? Yes, guys, for all never know, he is the king for dancehall. You understand? The king of dancehall now. Bang! One a war. Yeah, he is tough, bro. He have lyrics, bro. You understand? Everyone's supposed to know Vybz Kartel.
Well done. Well done. Not been better.
that is it.
One Perry. Bro, for this artist, bro, they have to have the cops, bro. You understand? And even some soldier as well. You understand? Because this artist is epic, guys. Guys, subscribe right now. You understand? Bro, I'm happy, bro. Bro, I'm happy. Trust me. Everyone roll out the CD. This epic artist, bro.
Alright, so we're here at the front at the entrance, the main gate to GP. Any minute now, Vybz Kartel and his co-accused will walk free. As you can see in the background, there's a heavy police presence, and the supporters are here to support and celebrate the freedom of the world boss, Vybz Kartel.
Freedom is a must.
Time. Exclusive.
Hey, for my understanding though, bro, I feel like some of these dancehall artists, bro, have to pack their stuff and leave, bro. Trust me, I don't know. But they have to do that, bro. You understand? Trust me. Hey, even cut cover. Hey, I love my Jamaican, bro. I love my Jamaican people, bro. Big up Jamaica. You understand?
What is this?
You know the thing going on, free world boss in it.
So turn around to the camera, man.
Brawling, man. Let me tell you, you see it? This on a Chinese wear. This is Miami, because we have the store over there that called Lico Miami. And we have the artist Vybz Kartel shirt them. You hear that, brawling? And I just come from Courthouse, from morning, me that court. I'm glad for know my artists have come on road, because Caesar tell with them can't keep a great man down. You hear that, brawling, so no matter what. You can't keep the boss captive no more. You hear that?
So did you predict this? Did you think he was gonna be free, or you just wait for ear like everybody else?
No, I know him go free. Because I know say all who go under the system and fight the artists. You hear that? Because from the shirts say free, well boss the artists are for free. And them not have nothing against the artists. Them not
Hey, if you go to Jamaica, bro, and go downtown, bro, you have to buy a shirt, bro, or pants or slippers, bro. Because these guys gonna talk you down for you to buy it, bro. You have to. Yeah, this guy got lyrics.
Everybody who convict the artist. So them have to let the artist come. I'm sick of this now. I'm frustrated. It's a joy, you know. Me never feel so joyful since today. I swear me I have a bad week and today are the best day of my life.
So you sell no t-shirt yet?
I sell whole heap. I start from
Wally.
3,000. Them have 2,500. I sell t-shirt down a circuit. A while ago I go see them and TVJ run me down just to get a picture of this and copy YouTube channel. I swear. That was a joy. Circuit nice. If you know my artists are come on road, nothing never make my face so nice. Not even when I get a new girl, me no face up. Brawling is a joy, you hear that?
So what you think should be next?
At the stage show. Because skyscraper seat, I get the seat up in the sky where I can look down and watch my artists perform. I just be a greatness next, you hear that? I just greatness in the pipeline right now, I swear. Yeah man, I'm big up Isaac Buchanan, great liar. I swear him represent for the boss. I cry him see Isaac, I cry today, you know. Yeah man, him feel it man, to all the people them and thing and him joyful, him just a cry. Me I say, John, no, tears are joy though. Yeah man, I swear man, that is it.
Hot topic, downtown Kingston.
Bro, our Jamaican people, bro, is very intelligent, bro, because no way this guy know that he's going to be right here, right now, talking. You understand? Trust me. He know everything to say. You understand?
God, man, I hear me tell you. Free word boss is a must. You know a good artist and the court look into it and the whole place look into it and for free the general. Because that's what the thing there now. Make the place nice again, because the whole of them realize that Sister Jamaica at a time right now where the people them need the energy there. They need a vibes there. So them say a Vybz Kartel and a vibe there. So them have to let go that vibe there and make sure that vibe there alone.
Alright, so question, major question for the hot topic.
You see, like they know what to say, bro.
Can 15 back based off of the era change from when him to get locked up to now, 14-year gap.
Well, if I look right now and listen to care and think we are play a be a Vybz Kartel. In 15 long time, man. Nothing on the 15 but not there. In 15 long time, that's why you see the roadblock and be a people out, man. Him dead a long time, no more 15 are there. The G15 long time, man. I just him for us come now and just do some music and do him show and do him thing. But before we get all of that, we know we're going to get some family time and some doctor time and some time where we're going to just get back him thing up and prepare him team back up and
so
get
people, where is my time? I want everyone to subscribe right now. You understand? Oh.
Instructor the right way again and back forward again to the thing. Because they even need a song. I don't have Kartel need to sing another song right now as him come on road. Because guess what? A long time hot topic. All them have to just do show and do him thing.
True.
Hot topic, downtown Kingston.
Free word boss. Bro, they've been holding him down since then, bro, for nothing. Give her a wig. Bro, look at this, bro.
So we are there. I saw you go to court today?
Yeah, come on, this girl.
Bro, there's no female can jest faster than this female right here, guys. If you think you can jest faster than this female right here, subscribe and leave a comment. Say yes, see you can jest faster than this female, bro. Trust me, there's no way. Hey, she put on her wig fast, bro, in 1 second.
God want Adisha Farmer. Oh.
So you take off the wig when you hear the verdict?
No, because I just came off the plane.
She just came on the plane, bro.
Alright, she got for more things. Hot topic with up on the artist eardress in street in a downtown Kingston.
Stick my lipstick, come on.
She have 30 up for the artist.
Hey, she even have the matching outfit, bro.
Come on, come tell me what you think, now, man.
Oh God, I'm so overwhelmed, my God. Oh God, I'm so overwhelmed. Adisha Palmer,
I've been telling them this thing, you know, from I'm in Miami, Florida on the airport. In the airport, I've been talking and the people have been elaborating and this and that. I'm just come right at Jamaica now, man, on the airport. I hear the big news. Me just look here, me the suitcase, the pulley, the hand luggage, and the shoes, and the handbag.
Hey, guys, check her shoes, bro.
Hot topic.
Hot topic.
God, look at auntie. We can't even. Oh God.
What your favorite Kartel song?
Back it up on the bumper, choke.
Back it up
Hot
now,
topic.
and
Downtown
reverse.
Kingston, that is it. So mama, they over there, so
Hey,
get dressed.
guys, if you don't love the Jamaican vibes, bro, leave. You understand? Yes. Leave right now. But subscriber, do not leave. Subscribe to me right now, okay?
She'll come, she'll get dressed. Who else ready? Tanisha, I get ready. Cause later, she said she'll go rub a dub with Kartel. What you think? What you think? What you think?
Well, I'm so happy. I want to tell you that I get up this morning and I said I need to put on this dress because I just feel like Kartel a come. I'm just take up the dress and put it on. And by the time I'm there and I rock, me as a Kartel come, couldn't believe it.
Somebody think you don't like the courthouse too?
No, we're heading down there, but you know we have to there. I get to look at work and they were running down there. We're there when we are go down there. But the dress, we get the picture and I said put on that dress here. I still come have on the dress because I know Vybz Kartel I get free today.
So why
that
your
is-
Kartel favorite song?
It is downtown. Oh, I swear it was in Spanish Town. But guys, anyone in America, you understand, Colombia, India, you understand, Canada, once you go to Jamaica, you have to go downtown, bro. You understand? But please go with someone. Y'all know what I'm saying. I'm not capping. Go with someone, bro, just for your protection. You understand? It is a vibes place, a lovely place, you understand? Peaceful. Just go there with someone though. You understand? Big up Jamaica. Hey, long time Vybz Kartel should be free, bro. Even some of these artists, bro, capping, bro. You understand? It's a great artist, bro. You understand? Y'all hear his name, Vybz. It's just one Vybz.
Why not your tight pussy on the kakia? It long till it bend like banana.
Hey, me tell her say she go party with Kartel later and I'm tell her no.
Yeah, man, we're around there, man. We're come shortly. We are drive, come round there. We are drive, come round there. We are come round there shortly.
For all don't understand, this is Patwa, okay? Patwa. Yes.
Hot topic.
They're
Downtown
speaking,
Kingston.
they're speaking Patwa, guys. You understand?
Check it out.
That's even how the Jamaican vehicle looks. Yeah. Everyone going to see that. People, I guess this is the epic moment. No, you understand? Free world boss. Oh, whoa. Ready? Hey, y'all ready? You guys ready? I guess no one not gonna have no sniper, you understand, like that guy. You understand? Yes, this is Vybz Kartel, guys. You understand? You have to check out the place first. One Gaza. So people, the artist is in the full white, you understand, with the orange rag. You understand, that's the artist. And even Shawn as well is one of his best friend. You understand? Yes. Shawn, one of his close best friend, bro. Happy moment, bro. Giant. I guess that's his girlfriend. One Gaza now. Hey, I feel like some of these artists, when Vybz Kartel, not even these artists, some of these people, bro, some of these fans, most of these fans, matter of fact, it's like when Vybz Kartel locked behind bars, bro, they switch. You understand? So now he's out. Wonder if they're gonna say Gaza, 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 Gaza. Because most of these people been saying alkaline, you understand, popcorn, unruly. You get the message? Yes, now everyone just saying Vybz Kartel. Now you understand they're back to their team. Yo.
Teacher, Bumbo class. Remember that?
One Gaza. Hey.
I'm going to tell the youth them stay out of fuckery. Yeah?
Hey, he sounds different. Alright? But like at this moment, I think some of the artists be like they're packing their shit, bro, and leave, bro. You understand? Because the king is back. You understand? Bro, the king is back.
Remember good no man? Remember good no man? Yo, me general. Alright. Yo, Adi. One.
I think that's Shawn style.
General, we love you.
Bro, I swear I hear a man voice just say that, bro. Burn up. You understand? Why? Fire. A woman to say that, bro.
Tommy, super shouter. Tommy, the next two. Super shouter. The next two. Gaza, Messi, I stay in front. Tommy.
I think they have to hurry, you know? Guys, subscribe, guys. You understand? Vybz Kartel and Shawn Star. Vybz Kartel and Shawn Star was free from prison. You understand? Yes, they are free, and this is the footage. You understand? Yes.
Chance, remember good enough. Different one here going on.
Oh, that I think that vehicle can't fit.
Chance on these people. Remember good no man?
Never time.
You see it?
God and time, yeah.
Remember that. Remember good.
The man is free, the man is out. Time better things.
You see?
The king is back. Y'all hear what I said? The king is back. Some of y'all fake artists go pack your shit and leave right now and do not wait. You understand? There's no waiting. Leaving right now. You understand? Yes, this is the Vybz Kartel, one and only king of dancehall. Eh? Oh. Happy girl. Happy girl.
Vanessa, we're going to move today.
One word back.
What do you think about the verdict?
Well, you walk one see, you see? Every man have them time still, you know. I feel so world boss time, and I still
True,
come around,
facts.
you know. And me attack a port where I come from, you know. Pass it through Portsmouth, it's paper time, and then man can't tell about me. Dickie Shine on my
Facts,
father,
bro.
you hear that? And me name Shine, so one Nas. So Kartel time now, so I'm let him go in the summer here.
make him go and come and welcome eat some food and make back him money. So mute them can see him and Shorty. You know what I tell world boss say the Shorty. You know what I gonna tell world boss say. Alright.
Hey, this guy coming with some mix up vibes now, you understand? Because that female name that he's called, Shorty, maybe was Vybz Kartel girl, wife, or is now, or I don't know. You understand? So guys, subscribe right now, and please do subscribe to One Code Music as well, okay? Yes, once you're happy as well, subscribe.
I'm love you and welcome home.
No, world boss, nothing world boss. I'm going to take back Shorty. Say, world boss, that me begs with the world boss if I do that. Me a begs with you.
Alright, so you think him they deserve the 14 years to pass?
What him doing that, I tell you something time, man. I remember saying, you know, them still no evidence everywhere, you know, because them tamper with and be a thing, so them still no concrete that we are talking about. So matter when you just let go the man, what am I going to do? No date no they for them try next year. All them date they pack out and float and book out. So what am I going to put it off again? No man, let me feel like man.
I guess the time when Vybz Kartel free, bro, it is August the 1st. You understand? The 1st of August.
No man, let me feel like the man.
Hot topic, downtown Kingston forward.
People subscribe right now to Silk Reacts, you understand? Yes, and follow
Alright,
me.
so we are on the
follow me on TikTok also, guys. Follow me on TikTok also, okay?
Oh, the motorcade, and as you can see, Vybz Kartel limousine is about to be driven. People are here in the street celebrating. We are outside with them. We are gonna move, we're moving.
Everyone on the street, bro.
And we're here with the driver who just drove Kartel from GP home. How does it feel?
Perry's limousine service was contracted to take Mr. Palmer, and we are excited to provide this service.
So what do you think about the verdict overall?
Well, to be honest, I don't want to get involved in those kind of stuff.
But it's a good look.
It's a good look.
So give the people them look info for the service, you know, phone number or whatever, since we're supposed to more into them.
You know, Perry's Funeral Home are the best in Jamaica. 428-1730. Call us.
Alright, so you know, Kartel just get dropped off at home. Media is restricted, but we are here outside. You don't know, we're there here same way. Happy that the artist is back home with his friends and his family. So, big things to come on Pelpa Time. Hot topic, we outside.
People, you guys reached the end of the video, understand? Yes, One World Boss Award. It is free now, guys, so you guys will hear some new hits. You understand? Yes. One Vybz Kartel. If y'all happy that this artist is free, bro, is a dancehall artist as well. But if y'all happy, subscribe. You understand? Leave your comment and say Free World Boss, One Gaza. You understand? Big up. People subscribe right now. This is Silk Reacts. I'm out.